Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Solihull. I've just been asked to have a look at a Worcester Bosch. No power, completely dead, no heating, no hot water. So I went to have a look at it and the live wire was disconnected. Now all I had to do is reconnect the live wire and the boiler's working fine. Now can you tell me an easier repair than that? That's probably the easiest repair I've ever done. Can you think of an easier repair than that? If you can, put it in the comment box below. I can only think of one, which is repressurizing the system, but you might still have a fault there. You know, there's a leak there or expansion vessel PRV issues. But I can't think of anything easier than that, because once you connect the live one, that's it. The boiler's working fine. There's nothing else that could be wrong unless I can't think of anything. If there's something else wrong, then there's something else wrong. But live disconnected, that's the easiest, man. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy. Right guys, this is the Worcester Bosch, no power on it, and the boiler's installed in a external shed or storage. Anyway, there's quite a few bumblebees in here, and I wonder if they got a hive connected to this boiler. Do you get it? Hive, room stat, bumblebees. Anyway, so we'll go. So there's power coming to the boiler from the split switch, which is installed inside the property. There's no power going to the boiler. And what's going on here? There's no power there. Maybe the wires inside there are burnt out. Maybe it's something related to a power surge. So anyway, let's open it up and see what's going on. Okay, that's the problem. The live is completely disconnected. I think when they connected the wires, they must have forgot to secure the live wire. So anyway, I'm going to secure that, and we're going to test it, and hopefully nothing else is wrong with this boiler. Can you switch your power off? Off.
Sorry. Just for the boiler, all of it?
No, just the boiler, please. Right, I've reconnected the live wire, I've secured it, and I'm going to test it out now. Now, if there's nothing else wrong with this boiler, I think this is going to be one of the easiest jobs I've ever done. Birmingham boiler fix. So I'll sort it down. Right, can you try the hot water tap for me, please? Yeah. Right, it's all working fine now. It's been tested. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Till next time, stay positive, keep smiling. Hopefully that'll keep you happy.